Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell you the best settings you can use for Streamlabs to stream. But before we go into that, please check the description and follow me on Twitch and Facebook to see my live streams and videos that I upload. And without any further ado, let's hop on it. So first, open settings. So this is the settings window. There's nothing to change on general. As you can see, there's output and language. If you want to change language, you can change that. The stream tab just shows where you can stream. You can also multi-stream here, and you don't need to set anything up. If you just log in Streamlabs, it will stream at that place or page. So this is the main tab, output. So make sure your output mode is always on advanced, audio track on 1, and this is the encoder. So software x264 means you're streaming from your CPU. If you have a better CPU, you should use that. And hardware means you're using your GPU, graphics card. So if you have a newer graphics card like RTX cards, you should use the new one because they give a very good option where it doesn't drop many frames in games. So you should use the new one if you have a RTX card. And the next thing we're gonna see is the rate control. There are a few options, but CBR is the best one. CBR means constant bit rate, and it will try to keep my upload speed at that bit rate which I set. So 8000 bit rate means I'm telling Streamlabs to stream at 8 Mbps upload speed. So don't go overboard with it. Try to keep some Mbps for your game and stuff. Like imagine I have like 15 Mbps upload speed, but I'm giving it only 8000 because that is good enough for 180 stream. So keep your preset at max quality, but if you're having like frame drops constantly, you can change it to performance and always keep profile high. Tick psycho visual tuning, untick look ahead. Use GPU 0. GPU means you have one GPU, and if you put 1 there, it means you have 2 GPUs, and keep max p frames at 2. If you have a single audio input, there is nothing to change here, to be honest. You can go to videos, and this output resolution is a resolution you're gonna stream at. I have mine at 180p. You can select 720 if you want, and use downscale filter lanczos because it's the best one, and you can choose the FPS you want to from here. You can select whatever hotkey you want as your preference. There's nothing much to change in advanced too, unless you want to go like really low latency stream, but I don't prefer that, to be honest. The normal latency is good enough. You can use the night theme mode, but it doesn't make a difference in your performance in stream. You can also use a face mask, but you need a really good camera for it to work perfectly. And you can use this remote control in your phone as a stream deck. It's really helpful if you don't have a stream deck, so try that out. So that's it. That's the tutorial for beginners, and if you liked it, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Thank you.